1 minute. Who is HP? Who is HP? Whose name is HP? Okay. Uh, the election algorithms mean for electing a coordinator process from currently running processes. So basically, when we talk about the election algorithms, there are several things we require to consider or assume. First of all, each process is given a one particular number that is a unique one, right? And then whenever initiated, an election algorithm basically finds out which of the active process has the highest priority number and then inform this the active processes. That means the one who holds the highest number, and that is the one active one, will be considered as a coordinator. Got my point? How exactly election algorithms works? Basically, election algorithms will decide which process will be work as a coordinator, and coordinator can be chosen on the basis of their numbers, given numbers, that is the highest one. The highest integer id number will act as like a coordinator. But the thing is that particular process should be active. Now how exactly these algorithms, this is not a single algorithm, election algorithms are there, several policies are there, several different algorithms are there. We will see the different types of algorithm. First one is the bully algorithm. Bully means powerful. The one who is have more strong and power, or the highest number, will be elected as a coordinator. Based on that policy, this bully algorithm works. Second one is the ring algorithm. The behavior of this algorithm is in a ring fashion. So election process is conducted in a ring kind of fashion. Mind it well, this is the very important topic as per the university exam concern. Uh, these election algorithms covers nearly 7 to 14 marks. So you may require to or explain, or you may get asked the question that what is the bully algorithm or the ring algorithm, or straightforwardly they can ask the question what is election algorithm, and then you have to write or explain these two different algorithms. Now we see one by one. The bully algorithm. First of all, we require to assume that the each process knows, as earlier I have told you, that is each process knows the ID and address of every other process. That means every successor, predecessor, and whatever the active processes are available in a network that have a unique ID and address, and that is known to all the other active processes that we should consider. Next one, communication is reliable. That means any of the message can be reached to the particular destination exactly and reliability. We can trust on that particular communication. That is known as reliable one. A process initiates an election if it just recovered from failure or it notices that the coordinator has failed. Already a particular process is elected as coordinator, and everyone while doing any kind of task, it requests to the coordinator, I want to initiate that kind of task or say process. So after a particular acknowledgement given by the coordinator, they can start their task. So we require uh, one thing, that election algorithm is work if and only if coordinator is not available. That means it is either crash or fail to respond, right? So that is the main thing. When actually the election algorithms will come into the picture, when coordinators is not present, either it is failed or due to technical reason or any other things, when the particular coordinator is not responding in a communication to the other request sent by the existing active processes. Three types of messages can be involved while we are talking about Boolean algorithm. One message is known as election, second one is OK, and third one is coordinator. So these messages are spread or say sent by the processes during this election. The first one is election, second one is OK, and then later on the coordinator. These are the three different messages used. Sorry. Several processes can initiate an election. As they come to know, coordinator is crashed or failed and not responding to their request, they can initiate the election. And at a time, several processes can start or initiate an election. Now, next one. When the process notices that coordinator is no longer responding to the request or failed, it initiates the request. A process A or P holds an election as follows. Now see the scenario, how exactly this works. The very first stage, P sends an election message to all process with higher numbers. That means if a P having a particular number, then it will send a message election to the all other existing active processes which have the higher number than P, right? Not to the lower one. Say P having ID number 4, then it will send the message to 5, 6 and likewise onwards, but not to 3, 2 and 1, as it holds the 4 which is the higher than 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So the higher the number, it will send to that particular active process the election message. Next one, if no one respond when the message is reached to that particular process which have or hold the higher ID numbers, then still they are not responding at a particular time during the particular time period, then P wins the election and becomes the coordinator, and he it will sends the uh, message to all that I am the coordinator by using the message coordinator. If one of the higher up answers, that means to whom P already sends the election message, say any number which is higher, holds the higher ID than P, respond and send a message OK to P, then that higher will be considered as a, it will take over and continue the election. See with the diagram, with the help of diagram. Previously, consider this. Hope this is visible to you. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. There are say 7 to 8 processes. The circle shows the process and their ID number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7 are the processes and their ID numbers. 0 is the lowest one, whereas 7 is the highest. As per the explanation, the 7 is the highest integer number, and that's why it was actually work as a coordinator. But as you can clearly see this cross sign, have you seen cross sign?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Uh, that means this 7 is actually working as a coordinator, but now it is failed and unable to respond to the request sent by the other processes, active processes. So 7 is not active at all. So in this case, when others are actually requesting to 7 to initiate for a particular task or process, it is not responding, and that's why after some time the requesters start the election. Here in this case, 4 actually continuously trying to communicate with the 7, but 7 is not at all responding to the request sent by the process 4. So hence at the end, 4 decided that 7 is crashed and coordinator is not active anymore. So it decided to hold an election and sends a message to other processes, active processes, or say the processes which are available in a communication. So election message is sent to 5, 6, and 7 by process 4. Got it? And not to 0, 2, 1, and 3, because these are the lower ID numbers. That's why only 4 sends the message election to the your 5, 6, and 7. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone having any doubt? Straightforwardly send me, or you can use your mic also if your audio is available. Or if your audio is not available, you can straightforwardly through chat ask me any question if you have any query. Right? Okay. The very next diagram shows the similar 7 processes, whereas the 7 is the previous coordinator which has crashed. So 7 is crashed, but 5 and 6 are active one, which are the highest as compared to 4. So 5 and 6 sends the OK message, as they already receive election message from 4. In response of that, they sends OK message to 4, both by 5 and 6. That means both 5 and 6 are eagerly or want to take up a responsibility as a coordinator. Moreover, in the next phase, 5 and 6 both start sending election message as they want to become a coordinator. So one minute, huh? 1 minute. सर क्लास चालू आहे, पुढे एंड करतो फोन. Sorry. So straightforwardly, 5 sends a message to the highest number. Hello. 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 Is I
Yes, sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 5 sends the message directly to 7 and 6, as 7 and 6 are the highest number as compared to 5 and not to the lower one. And 6 sends the message to 7, though it is crashed. But still, this information is not known to the others. That's why they're sending a straightforward message election to all the highest ID numbers, ID processes. Okay? So 5 sends the message election to 6 and 7, whereas 6 sends the message only to 7, as the only one 7 is the highest as compared to 6. Now next one is, in the next diagram you can see here there are OK message sent by 6 to 5 in response of receiving election algorithm from 5. So 5 have to stop here and 6 will continue, right? So afterwards, there is no OK message received from any other, as 6 is the one who is the highest ID number amongst the network, and no one is able to send the OK message as 7 is already crashed, right? So in this way, 6 is elected and decided it will be work as a coordinator. So that's why 6 will send the message coordinator to all the available active processes, right? That means election algorithm ends here with 6 will be elected as a coordinator. In this way,
Coordinate.
the Bully algorithms works. This is the one of the election algorithm. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Is there any difficulty? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Now the next algorithm, the ring algorithm. The ring algorithm processes are arranged in a logical ring. That means no, actually there is no physical ring exists, but instead a logical kind of ring is there. Each process knows the structure of the ring. That means who is the predecessor and who is the successor. That things are known to the all processes. Next one. Next one is a process initiates an election if it just recovered from failure or it notices that the coordinator has failed. That means in similar fashion, the same way, if a particular highest priority number, highest ID number is in the similar case, we have to assume that the IDs are already unique IDs are already allocated or given to the particular active processes. And based on that ID, this algorithm also works like Boolean algorithm. The process initiates an election if they come to know that it it is just recovered from failure or it notices that the coordinator has failed. In that case, election is initiates. Initiator sends election message to closest downstream node that is alive. That means a active process should be available there as a successor. So it will send it. That's why the downstream node is used here. Closest downstream, the ring we require to follow. Right? I will show you the diagram how exactly it works. The election message is forwarded around the ring along with their ID numbers. When election message is sent or forwarded around the ring, along with that, they send their ID numbers also. Each processor adds its own ID to the election messages. When election message comes back, initiator picks node with the highest ID and sends a coordinator message specifying the winner of the election. That means when election message comes back, the one who initiates that messages or sending that election messages, then that messages comes back to him as a complete loop or say circle or a ring is completed. Who is the initiate will receive that message back with all the ID numbers. And when it have the all the ID numbers, it will pick or search for which one is the highest, which have the highest ID will be elected as a coordinator. And then it will send the coordinator message to all along with this a particular highest ID number is elected as a coordinator amongst the active processes. Let's see with the help of diagram how exactly it works. See, consider this diagram again. One kind of ring. Here you can see the ring is in a specific order. Start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, likewise. Whereas in case of Bully algorithm, no such kind of ring formation or any kind of structure is allowed, available. See here, again, process 4 come to know that coordinator has failed as it is not receiving any response from the particular coordinator. Say previously 7 is a coordinator and cross sign denotes that this is a previous coordinator which is right now a crash one. That means it is not a active one. So straightforwardly 4, after concluding that the coordinator has crashed, it start or initiates election and sending a election message along with adding up his own ID, that is 4, and it sends to the successor in a ring, that is 5, and sends that message only to 5, not to 3, right? So downstream he had to go. We will go clockwise. Downstream means we are going clockwise. See now, after receiving the message from election message from 4, 5 again append his own ID and sends it to the alive one, that is 6. 6 is alive right now, that's why it is sending a message to 4, and along with the ID, election message is sent to 6. And after receiving 6, again 6 do the same thing, append its own ID, that is 6, and sends that to 7 firstly, but 7 is crashed one and will not receive any response by from 7. So 6 instead again send that to the next successive alive process in a ring. So it sends that message to 0. So election message now have 4, 5, 6 IDs with that and received by 0. Afterwards 0 again append its own ID and sends to 1, and 1 sends it to 2 by appending its own ID, and next 2 append its own ID and send it to 3. Afterwards 3 again append its own ID and sends back to the initiator, that is 4, who initiates the election. See, the circle is or ring is completed and 4 have the receive back the election message, but now along with all the IDs are available here, who are the active one and new processes are joined in a network. So afterwards receiving these IDs, 4 choose the highest one. The highest one is 6 as it receives through the message the IDs. It picks the highest ID number and that particular will be chosen as a coordinator, and because of that, oh sorry, uh, our minutes are over as it is of 30 minutes. Is it visible? Hello?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. मैं थोड़ा फास्टली कर लेता हूँ. एक coordinators, so in this way it will send the message as a coordinator. You can see this message is sent by the 4, that 6 is elected as a coordinator. Here is the one another example where a simultaneous election is conducted by 2 different, one is by 5, another is by 2. After it, both are sensing or decide that coordinator 7 is crashed, so they start or initiate election and start sending a messages. Afterwards, if multiple elections are carried out simultaneously, that doesn't matter or doesn't harm anything. After a particular result of both the election, they match with which one have the highest ID will be elected as a coordinator. So this is all about the our session. One more point is left here, that is a wireless election algorithm. So this is all about our election algorithm. Any queries from your side? Hello, any queries?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
ये चीज समझ में आई इलेक्शन algorithm?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Still anyone have any doubt? Please let me know. Through chat we can